we were sitting in the room of our Gurudev, Divine Sri Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj. Guru Maharaj was sitting here and our 2-3 Indian devotees were sitting here. At that time Guru Maharaj told why I came out of India. First cause he told that Prabhupada ordered to Sri Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj to go for preaching out of India, and he ordered him to make passport, and he made the passport. But Sarananda Prabhu gave one idea to Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, the sending preacher out of India, and first time you are preaching, so the sending to Hayagri Prabhu, he is very tall and beautiful. So I want to say you will better you send some old person first time. Then Prabhupada decided that he will send to Bhakti Maharaj. And Guru Maharaj explained all these things, and he told, because our Guru Maharaj at that time he could not come, so I am here. I am his disciple, or I am the son of Gurudev, so I am here. First. Secondly, he told that each side of our Gurudev had this desire that I will go to out of India for preaching. For that purpose, he ordered me to learn Germany language, and I attended the classes. So, why he ordered me to learn the German language? Because he had the desire to send me outside.
And he went to Germany.
Yes, he went.
Yes, when he went to Germany, we took him to the television, and he had a very nice television program, and we still have those films. You must also have the copies. And also he went to Freiburg, Berlin and Freiburg. Did you go with him?
Yes, I was with him.
Okay.
So, second, he told this. Third, he told that our Shiksha Guru, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj had so much affection with his disciples, and so many disciples took initiation from him, and they went back to their countries. Puri Goswami Maharaj, he was very old. He could not go outside of India. So he sent our Gurudev for caring the care of his disciples. For that purpose, I saw personally to Gurudev, if any person will come to Gurudev, Gurudev, I want to hear Diksha mantras again. So he will ask, from whom you took initiation? He will say, Siddhar Maharaj, another Maharaj, go to your Gurudev, he will tell you. Then if he was there, my Gurudev is not inclined, then you ask to next Acharya of your parampara. But if any person will say, I took initiation from Puri Goswami, then he will go. Tomorrow morning you come, I will tell you all the Diksha mantras. The one day I asked that so many people are coming to you, you are just telling Diksha mantras, but only the disciples of Puri Goswami you are telling the Diksha mantras. When he replied me, because Puri Goswami Maharaj sent me for this purpose, so I am helping to his disciples. This was the third cause Guru Maharaj told why he came, why he went out of India. Fourth, he told, my father told to his father, I want to go London, England for higher study. So my grandfather, Guru Maharaj told them, my grandfather agreed. But my grandmother was, no, I will not send to you out of India. So my father told, if you will not send me out of India, I will not study further. My grandmother, you stop your study, but I will not send you out of India. So my father he stopped his study, but he had so much desire to go out of India. My father could not come, but I'm his son. I came out of India to fulfill his desire. In this way, he told 5 or 6 causes why he is preaching out of India. That is Chaitanya.
Jai Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Yeah, I can confirm that every time when I went to meet Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, he would speak to me in German a few sentences. So we would talk, and he was very happy to speak.
Yes, Maharaj.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Gaura Premanandi.
Hare.